Hello friends, this is Kishore Mole from RCERT Chandrapur, and today we discuss one more numerical related to work and time. The numerical reads as machine A can print 1 lakh books in 8 hours. Machine B can print the same number of books in 10 hours, while C can print them in 12 hours. All the machines are started at 9 am. While machine A is closed at 11 am, the remaining two machines complete the work. The question before us is approximately at what time will the work, that is to print 1 lakh books, be finished. So dear friends, let's move to the data collection part. And in the data collection, we know that A takes 8 hours to complete the work, and therefore work done by A in 1 day is 1 by 8. On the same lines, work done by B in 1 day is equal to 1 by 10. Similarly, work done by C in 1 day is equal to 1 by 12. It is mentioned in the numerical, all machine starts at 9 am. It is also mentioned that machine A stops at 11 am. Machine B and C continue to work till completion of the work. And we need to find out at what time the total work will finish. So let us move to the solution part. And in the solution, A, B and C's 1 hour work is represented by 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12, which gives you a numerical value of 37 upon 120. Now we all know that A, B and C work for 2 hours because machine A will stop after 2 hours. Therefore, work done by A, B and C in 2 hours will be 2 multiplied by 37 by 120, which will give you a numerical value of 37 by 60. So we calculate the remaining work. The remaining work will be calculated by 1 minus 37 upon 60, which is equal to 23 upon 60. So let's move ahead. B and C's 1 hour work will be represented by 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 12, which is equal to 11 upon 60. 11 upon 60 work in 1 hour. Therefore, 23 upon 60 work. Now what is this 23 upon 60? That is the remaining work to be carried out by B and C, which we had calculated earlier, will be represented by Y. So the value of Y as per ratio and proportion will come to as 23 by 60 divided by 11 upon 60. If you simplify it, you will get 23 by 60 multiplied by 60 into 11, and the numerical value that you get is 23 by 11 hours. That is approximately, dear friends, 2 hours. So we arrive at the final answer now. Thus, the work will be finished in approximately 2 hours after 11 am, that is at 1 pm. If you like the video, do press the like button, and if you wish to see more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.